This is a video of my 60-inch Hunter Regalia II ceiling fan. It is a new bronze finish, 3-speed, electrically reversible, and an LED light kit. It has a bowl-style light kit. This was purchased at Lowe's. And without further ado, we will give it a demo. Here is the light. And I am using 3 60-watt equivalent LED light bulbs in here. And here's low. This fan here, it doesn't spin very fast, but it does move a hell of a ton of air. And the blades are reversible from dark cherry, which is what you're seeing now, to cabin home, which you'll see a video of that later on. Here is medium. But this fan is going to be replaced soon with something else, so this is probably the only time that you're going to see it. And here's high. And this thing does move some air. So once it gets going, it moves some air. And I don't know if you can see it, but it does have a tendency to wobble. And here's off. And while we're doing this, I am going to talk about some general information on it. I did purchase this fan at Lowe's, and some other features that it does have. This is the stock light kit that you're seeing on it, but you can also change it out to whichever light kit you like, which I'll probably make a video on how to remove these light kits. But this is the stock light kit. It does have the option where you can have no light or you can change it out. And so these Hunter fans supposedly are wobble free, if you will. I don't know if you saw it on camera, but that fan started wobbling. So much for them being wobble free per se. And do I recommend Hunter fans? No, not really. But they are still good quality. But at the way prices are going right now, I just can't afford them anymore. And there's a closer look of the logo. And as you can see here, as it comes to a coast, I've had this thing for about 2 or 3 years now. And it does the job. But like I said, this will be replaced with something soon because it wobbles, it's too noisy, and doesn't perform that well. Some of you guys may agree, some of you may disagree. So in the comments down below, comment if you think this is a good fan or if you think it's a piece of junk. And also comment if you would recommend this. Well, there you have it. This has been my 60-inch Hunter Regalia II ceiling fan in new bronze finish. Peace.